This is David, SOM Trailer Sales, SOMtrailers.com. Do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button. You'll get instant notifications when we post new and used inventory. I'm going to give you a video tour on a 2024 Bloomer 4-horse bumper pull. It's a rear load with double door trainer tack on it. Pretty cool setup. We'll start up here. We got the reinforced RV hitch, hydraulic jack. Take a look in the dressing room here. Got your spare, some bridle hooks. Everything's fully lined and insulated. We got a closed bar here with some shelving. A bunch of LED strip lights. I got this boot box in here. Houses your battery and your hydraulic brake reservoir. It's got the 19.5 Alcoas with Continental tires. Keyless entry. We got marker lights about every 18 inches on this thing. Big integrated hay pod. Polished extruded sides, posts, top rails. It's got the integrated manger built into the escape door up front here. I got your swing style feed doors. I put struts on these doors so they hold themselves open at a 90-degree angle. Bunch of load lights. 4 load lights on this side. It'll really light it up at night. In here I've got your air ride system. It's got its own separate battery. Let me take a peek in here and check out the manger storage. We still need to put the lug covers on. Let's look at your 19.5s with the Continentals. This trailer's got a broom closet on it as well for some additional storage. That's the lug covers there. It's got the pull-out angled step above ladder. Makes it a lot easier to get on and off that that landing there. It's got a kind of like a 3/4 rear ramp, 3/4 load door here. Take a look inside the horse area. Like I said, again, everything's fully lined and insulated. Padded gates. Stud divider. Nice clean horse area. Lots of airflow gets through here. Your LED lights and interior lights. Got a little bit of a thinner manger here. You fit some big horses in here, no problem. Drops front and back. Again, a bunch of load lights on this side as well. I'll take a look at this tack room. Pretty cool setup. Bunch of brush boxes, splint boot holders, bunch of hooks. Some more bridle hooks over there. Blanket bars. Really nice setup. This trainer tack is the easiest way to get your tack in and out of the horse trailer. Makes it a lot more convenient. It's easier for smaller people to handle their tack and get their saddles loaded and unloaded. But like I said, do us a favor, hit that like and subscribe button and check us out, SOMtrailers.com. Thanks.